Welcome back. Just we are at the last of the topic, and I think today is the last day for the topic, the flames in the forest. And just I will summarize at last about the topic. Before it, just I want to finish the topic. And just when they reached the swallows, Teju got down and helped Romi push the bicycle. Finally, they reached the opposite bank and sank down on the grass. Yeah, it is about to just I'm going to tell that when they reached at the bridge was burning. Because of that, because of that, they choose the way to cross the river, and they entered in the river. Although there was not more water, but it was the current of water was very fast. It was a speedy, and it was really difficult for them to cross, but they had no other way to go, and they crossed. And just they started crossing the river, and after crossing it, just they had a cycle, and it was difficult for children because they hadn't grown up. Although at the side of the bank, Teju got down and helped Romi push the bicycle. Means uh, Romi was on the bank, and just Romi was being in the river. He was pushing the bicycle to got on, and they reached the opposite side, and they just got on the bank, and simply they sank in the grass, or simply they were tired because of the cycle and the river and the crossing it. They sank down the grass, or they simply rested there by sitting and sleeping, which we can simply see in the picture how they were sleeping there. And just we can rest now, said Romy, but not all night. I have got some medicine to give to my father. And just Romy told to rest there because they were tired of because of the fire. They just they were running from the jungle or simply cycling, and they were very hurry to save their life. And when they came at the river, there was also other level of difficulty for children to cross it. And when they crossed, they simply rested there by sitting. And Rami told that not a whole night they could rest there because he had the medicine of his father, and his father was not well, so he had to go house. But little bit he told him to rest there. He felt in his pockets and found that the pills in their envelope had turned to a soggy mess. Oh well, he had to take them with water anyway, he said. And just he thought about the medicine, and he felt it in his pocket. It was there, but it was weighted, or it was weight there in the pocket. Just he brought out from the pocket, and just he saved it. They watched the fire as it continued to spread through the forest. The sky was bright red, and the river reflected the color of the sky. And the fire was spreading there. The fire was just continuing to spread, and simply we can see in the picture it was just showing very dangerous fire in the forest. And we might have heard here different kinds of news or different kinds of such of information about the jungle, or the fire of the jungle. When it catches there, it is spread very dangerously, and it simply it becomes the reason of different kinds of animals death and human being too. And now it was too, because of that they saw the spread they saw the spreading fire of the jungle there. And because of it, the sky was red, and the river was reflecting the color of the sky in the brightness of the fire. Several elephants had found their way down to the river. They were cooling off by spraying water on each other with their trunks. Further downstream, there were deer and other animals. And several elephants and different kinds of animals arrived there in the bank of the river, and just the elephants were spraying water from their trunks to each other to save their life, and the deer and the other animals, although deers and other animals are also on the downstream to cool themselves and save themselves from the fire. Romy and Teju looked at each other in the glow from the fire. They hadn't known each other well before, but now they felt they had been friends for years. Yeah, Romy and Teju before it hadn't met with each other, but because of the accident or because of this condition and the company they have just survive here, just they spend the time in the jungle and they simply help each other to save their life, made them the best friend. Although hadn't they hadn't met with each other, but now they felt they had been friends for years. But because of the accident and because of their help or assistance to each other, they became friends forever, and they started feeling that they are friends for years. They are not unknown to each other. Yeah, that much the topic. Again, just I want to summarize it. This is the topic about three friends, Romy, Teju and Prem. Although Prem told Romy to stay at a house, stay there, not to go, but the he had Romy had the medicine of his father, and his father was not well, so he had to go. He had to anyhow he had to reach at his house. Anyhow he has to reach there, and just he told him that because of the medicine he couldn't stay there. He just started cycling and come to his house, and on the way when he entered in the jungle he found Teju, and he and Teju started going on the cycle. They got different kinds of difficulties because of the fire, because of the animal. Although they kept on going to their target to save their life, and they struggled very hard to save their life, and at last they saved their life, and they reached at their destination or went to their house. And just after it, just there is a comprehension. And number A, mark the sentences as true or false. Just you have to make true and false of the sentences. And number B, answer the questions briefly, and there are very simple questions, you have to answer it. Where was Romy when the forest fire started? When the forest fire started, where was Romy? Just he was in the village of Prem. Just you have to tell like this. How far was Romy's village? Simple one, from his friend's house. Third one, what made Romy fall out his bicycle? When just he was cycling on his cycle, cycling in the forest, because of the animal, he fell on the ground. You have to write that. Who did Romy meet in the forest? Simple one, Teju. Why did Romy tell Teju to beat the milk cans? Why he helped him or told him to leave the cans? Because it was very difficult to take on the bicycle with them, and it was also just ringing there, and because of it there was tensions of animal when they heard the sound. Simply that is the answer. What was the elephants doing in the middle of the road? What were they doing in the middle? Just they were calling each other, or just calling the left elephants. What did the two boys see when they reached the bridge? The bridge was burning there. What happened when they reached the middle of the river? What happened there? Because the stream or the current of the river was so speed, and what kinds of difficulty they got while crossing the river, and at the mid what kinds of problem they have there they have got there, just you have to describe. Number C, think and answer the questions. They hadn't known each other very well before, but now they felt they had been friends for years. What do you think made Romy and Teju bond? Why did they feel they were friends for years? But the thing which just I described at last, that although they are unknown to each other, they became very close friend, and they just started feeling that their friendships of uh, years, not for few hours, because they helped each other in the problem, and they just cross, and just they got their destination, they got their target because of each other's assistance or help. So they became good friend there, because simply it is called that the person is the good friend who helps you in when you need them. But in this world, simply we find that when you get the problem, every friends or everyone just leave you there. No one helps you. But here, the both help each other to save from the fire or save their life from the dangers. Because of that, they become friend. Just you have to describe all the thing there. The river was quite swift in the middle, but having got safely out of the burning forest, Romy was in no mood to let it river defeat him. What does it tell us about Romy? Yeah, Romy, because of Romy and his determination, his struggle, just they just Romy and Romy saved the life of Teju, or they saved their life. That is because of Romy, because Romy was like a very struggling one. He, when he crossed the whole jungle in such a dangerous condition, when the current of the river was speedy in the mid, just he got difficulty while crossing with the cycle, with by carrying the cycle, and with Teju. So he thought that he crossed such a dangerous jungle, or such a flame or fire in the jungle. He couldn't he couldn't made the river defeat him, or just he couldn't uh, and just he couldn't let the river defeat him, because he had crossed very dangerous thing, or very complex than it. So he thought like that, and it simply told us about Romy, that he was a very struggling person, and just he is full of determination, or determined, or he had willpower to cross it. Just you can tell about him. And what strong virtues or qualities did Romy exhibit? State any two giving instance from the story or support your answer. And just number 3, just you have to tell about the qualities of the Romy from the book. That much in this topic, and just we have completed it. And just we start the topic back from the brink, topic 5, back from the brink. And again I want to tell you, just next video I will start it, so you guys go through the meaning of it, or learn the meaning of the topic. That will help you to understand the topic when I will teach you. That much in this video. See you in this video.